Do you think someone that is 25 to 35, single with no kids, can be happy? I say this because I've had people bash me since I'm not a mom or wife at 27. Why can't I make it 2022, the year I lose weight, run a 5K, get my degree, and etc.? So again, this is something that I'm going to tell everybody, is that you deserve to be happy. Don't let anybody tell you any different. You deserve happiness. You deserve someone to care for you. You basically deserve the world. Stop letting other people step on your happiness. That is my point for this podcast. You have to lift the roadblocks in your life. Stop letting these people tell you that you cannot do something, because I'm here to tell you again that you can do it. You're stronger than you think. You can do anything you want. You can go against any goal. You can move mountains if you wanted to. But the only thing that's in the way is your mind. Once you free your mind, you'll understand how easy it is to attain your goals. It's every single day. It's not just going to come one day you run a 5K and that's it, you win. No, it takes every single day. In order to be successful, you have to have baby steps, then repeat, and start building on it. Then you rise from that. But if you keep telling yourself that you can't do it, if you keep letting people tell you that you can't attain your goal, then you're going to think that and you're going to self-sabotage yourself. I want to tell you that you can do it. No matter what you want to do, self-improvement, career, financial, you can do it. Stop getting in the way of yourself. Stop letting these people get in the way of your blessings. You want to know what? A lot of times people don't want to see you improve. People don't want to see you strive for something. So what does that turn to? If they're not doing anything, it turns to envy. And now they're hating on you because you're trying to improve yourself. That's what it stems from. It stems from jealousy. It stems from envy. You have to be able to understand that and move those roadblocks aside. But you gotta stop letting negativity win. If you keep letting negativity win, if you keep letting these negative thoughts to creep into your mind, they're going to stay there and they're going to keep inflicting pain on you until you're at the bottom, and then they can just laugh at you. Because that's what's happening right now. Misery has won. You're letting misery take over your life. You're letting misery, you're letting pain, you're letting self-doubt, you're letting low self-esteem win. They're all in your mind. They've taken over your mind, your soul. You have to rip that out. And you have to tell yourself that you're better than that. You are the only person that's going to pull you out of this rut. You are the only person. It's not going to, your motivation to get rid of your self-doubt, your low self-confidence in order to attain your happiness is going to come from you and only you. It's not going to come from your phone watching motivational videos. You got to dig deep and understand, why do I have low self-confidence? Why do I feel the need to care what other people think? I'm doing what makes me happy. Shouldn't that be enough? Why don't I think that I'm enough? Ask these questions, then you can move forward. But you got to stop letting misery and negativity win. I want everybody to understand that today, is that if you keep letting negativity win, you are going to feel like a failure. You're going to be at rock bottom for the rest of your life, and it's never going to improve until you take the action for yourself. You have to want it. You have to want to be happy. If you don't want to be happy, misery is going to keep its foot on your neck forever. Until you get to that point where you can improve your life, until you want to improve your life, you can listen to every single podcast, every single motivational video. And if you don't want it, you're not going to do it. So you're wasting your time. You need to want to be happy. You have to be able to tell misery, negativity to get out. Get out of your mind. Get out of your soul. I'm better than this. But you have to want it. And you have to, again, you have to find your purpose as well. A lot of times, again, we're talking about finding motivation. You have to be able to find your why. As if you're walking around not knowing your why, you're never going to be able to attain your goals. You want to be happy? That's your goal. That's your one goal. Don't worry about anything else. You want to be happy. That's your first goal. We're starting with baby steps here. Start at the absolute most simple goal possible. I want to be happy, and start building off of that. Then you can start adding more goals to it. Like you want to run a 5K, you want to run 10K, whatever that may be. But you have to be able to start from the bottom. Once you start from the bottom, you're going to understand that it's much easier to attain my goals if I do small steps. But if I continue to let misery in, if I continue to let negativity in, I'm telling you, I've been there. It's never going to get better. You got to be able to tell misery and negativity to get out of my soul. You have to be able to push those out by filling yourself up with positivity. Until you get to that point, you're always going to feel like this. So I'm telling you, you got to tell yourself that you deserve to be happy. You deserve praise. You deserve whatever you want. You are a human being. Again, your baseline is that you're good enough and you deserve to be happy. But if you let other people rob your joy, you're giving them the power. I want you to take your power back. I want you to realize that you're more powerful than you think. I want you to realize that you're stronger than you think. You're smarter than you think. Until you get to that point, I can't help you. But once you get to that point, you know everything that I'm saying. I'm just basically reminding you. What I'm saying is not rocket science. I'm just trying to wake you up.